Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your Darpan device. First, ensure both your Darpan unit and the printer are powered on and ready. Keep them close, ideally within 1 meter, for a reliable connection. You'll typically need a standard USB A to B cable. Make sure you have this cable handy before proceeding to the next step. This initial preparation is key for a smooth setup process. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take the square-shaped end of your USB cable and gently insert it into the corresponding port on your printer. Then, locate an available rectangular USB port on your Darpan device and plug in the other end of the cable. Ensure both connections are firm and secure. A loose cable can prevent your devices from communicating properly, so double-check everything. With the physical connection made, it's time to configure your Darpan device. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found on the main screen. From there, look for an option like Connected Devices or Printers and Scanners. Select Add Printer and allow your Darpan device a few moments to scan for the newly attached printer. It should detect it automatically. Once your Darpan device has identified the printer, select it from the list of available devices. To confirm everything is working correctly, perform a quick test print. If the print is successful, congratulations. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your Darpan device and the printer, then recheck all cable connections. Sometimes a simple restart resolves minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.